Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, we've been picking up some rain here in the last couple of days. Now remember, before all this rain started, we were at about 3.79 inches, so we've come close to getting an inch of rain. Average through March 31st is 11.29 inches, and that puts us about 6.5 inches below average. So we're starting to gain some ground. And we have another storm. This one may be the wettest storm in 170 days. We have not had over 67/100ths of an inch of rain in one day since the first week of October. And you can see here we've had three storms. There's the first one moving up into Canada. The second one we had yesterday, now moving through the Midwest, and now all the way up into the East Coast. And there is the third one. The one that should bring us some rain, already breaking out some nice rain and thunderstorms over some very dry areas of the western plains where they had all those fires. They're trying to grow the winter wheat. I'm going to show you how much rain they could get out of this storm. So there is some good news here with this rain. How much rain will we see? Well, let's get into PowerCast. Here we are, 3 in the afternoon. There's the rain out in western Kansas starting to head this way. 9 o'clock tonight. We're still dry. We're still cloudy. And there may be a little bit of mist or drizzle out there, but it'll be mostly dry, but some very heavy rain and thunderstorms. Then, out in western Kansas. Then, as we go towards 1 a.m., the rain begins to move into our area, the heaviest still well to the west, and by 6, 7 in the morning, rush hour. Rain, thunderstorms, some could be fairly heavy. Let's hope so. We need the rain. It may kind of mess up the rush hour a little bit, but we could use the rain. And then through the day, we'll have some periods of rain and drizzle around, the heaviest probably in the morning. But then tomorrow night, look at this, another round of rain and thunderstorms is possible, especially from Kansas City eastward. This is main round number 2. And then we shall see here on Thursday, now the main storm is coming out, and there's going to be a calm ahead of rain. The latest data has it from Kansas City southward. So there's 3 main rounds of rain. There is later tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and then during the day Thursday. And if 2 out of those 3 are right, or 2 out of those 3 hit your area, you'll get at least 1 to 2 inches of rain. If you get all 3, you'll see 2.5 inches of rain. So let's hope we can at least get 2 out of 3 rounds of rain on your yard or farm. And here is the total rainfall, and on some farms and yards out in central and western Kansas, 2 to 4 inches of rain over some very dry areas of western Kansas. That is great news for us here locally, generally in the 1 to 2 inch range. There will be a few areas that could see over 2 inches. Again, if you get all 3 rounds, you could see over 2 inches, or one of the rounds is really heavy. So it's late tonight, tomorrow morning, and then again on tomorrow night and then Thursday are the best rounds, even though tomorrow afternoon and night it may still be raining, but it may be drizzly showers. But the 3 big, heavier rounds is what we're looking at. So hour by hour here today, about 52 degrees, cloudy, a little mist. The other thing later tonight as the rain moves in, look at those sustained winds out of the east at about 19 or 20 miles per hour, gusting probably to 30 miles per hour. So tomorrow morning, rain, thunderstorms, some heavy and windy on top of it. Pretty raw. With the threat of severe weather very low to none because of the colder air. And on the 7-day forecast, there's that rain chance 100% tomorrow, then again on Thursday, and we'll put a windy there on Wednesday as well. And Friday cloudy, and then over the weekend there's another system for Sunday, just a chance of some showers, not nearly as wet of a storm as this one, but look at those temperatures, cool weather, wet, and no warmth at this moment, but those days will return as we head into April. Have a great Tuesday and rest of your week.